Well, I've finally had all the parts except the seat back. The new wheel nuts to go on the nice fresh wheels. They're all fitted and torqued up properly. And I'm glad to say the stripe kit arrived and I didn't make a hash of it this time. Really pleased how they came out. The only difference was I fitted them wet this time rather than dry, and it did make it a lot easier. And this was the one that had all the bubbles that you've seen before in, and that's now done. Put the sealant on the windscreen. Now I've dropped the car down and I'm about to start the ceramic coating, which is just about the final bit of the puzzle. Apart from the seat, and then it's a go. It'll be ready for collection, and I'll do a video with it out under the lights. But no, I'm really pleased. It's looking fresh as a daisy. And it's a long way from what it was when it arrived. Right, I'm going to start the ceramic coating. I think I'm going to put G-Technic serum on the car, just for nostalgia's sake, because I used to use it all the time. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Right, I'll see you a bit later.
Positive vibes, connect wisdom out of our life. If I listen carefully, reggae life, I can see there's a joy, reggae life, and there's unity and freedom, reggae life. It's the only wisdom, reggae life. If I listen carefully, reggae life, I can see there's a joy, reggae life, and there's unity and freedom, reggae life. It's the only wisdom, reggae life. Some people think they cannot use if they succeed. Oh gosh, they feel higher, 'cause maybe they're comparing love. And when I try to express myself,